Want to choose the right EC2 instance for your Magento store on AWS? Stay tuned as we cover everything you need to know about choosing the right EC2 instance and ensuring peak performance. Well-known Magento hosting solutions often use AWS. AWS gives you full control over your infrastructure and resources. EC2 instances on AWS can offer powerful computing resources for your Magento store. Let's cover EC2 instances. An EC2 instance is a virtual server provided by AWS. It serves scalable computing capacity in the cloud. You can choose the resources your application requires. It offers options for CPU, memory, storage, and network capacity. Magento hosting. AWS offers diverse types of EC2 instances. General-purpose instances are beneficial for organizations using web servers. Compute-optimized instances offer substantial processing power for gaming servers and scientific simulations. Memory-optimized instances run memory-intensive apps smoothly. Moreover, storage-optimized instances allow quick reading and writing operations for databases. Choosing the accurate EC2 instance manages costs efficiently. The suitable instance ensures that your Magento application runs smoothly. This improves user experiences with minimal latency and enables higher data processing. AWS offers a variety of purchasing options. On-demand instances are paid on a second-by-second basis. Savings plans to cut costs by committing to fixed usage for 1 to 3 years. Spot instances can further reduce costs. Choosing an instance matching your workload avoids over-provisioning and cuts down expenses. The correct instance not only enhances reliability, but also enables easier scaling as demands increase. To choose an adequate AWS hosting solution, consider your website's traffic, the size of your product catalog, and the functionalities your store uses. Opt for scalable AWS services and effective caching strategies. Here are some recommendations on EC2 instances for Magento hosting. For small to medium-sized stores, T3 or M5 instances are generally best. For larger stores requiring high performance, consider R5 or C5 instances. Remember to enable auto-scaling and apply Amazon CloudFront for quicker content delivery wherever necessary. Equal weightage should be given to the choice of operating system, web server configuration, database, and PHP configuration. Use Amazon EFS for scalable file storage, like media files and user uploads in Magento. Integration of Amazon CloudFront and elastic load balancing can enhance the performance of your Magento store on AWS. Tools like AWS Inspector can be used to maintain the security of your store. CloudWatch provides detailed insights to optimize resource utilization. Regularly adjust your instances to optimize costs. Auto-scaling ensures that your site remains responsive during peak times, maintaining user satisfaction. That concludes our deep dive into Magento hosting on AWS. If you found this content valuable, hit like and share it with others. Stay tuned for more informative videos.